Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change landscape orientation here in Canva. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Canva, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing your design to a landscape orientation in Canva is a straightforward process. Once you are logged into your account, start by opening the design that you are working with, or if you haven't already, click the Create a Design option. In my case, I'm going to be choosing the YouTube thumbnail that I'm working with. Now, this is going to be the image. For me to be able to change the orientation, basically, this is a landscape already. All right, so I'm gonna go to the file, create a new design, and I'm gonna be choosing something like this one. You can basically create a Facebook post landscape, which is gonna be or the Facebook cover landscape. So these are your options if you want to change the orientation. All right, that's going to be manually creating it. Or you can also use the custom size wherein you might want to choose the orientation of maybe 1080 to 620. These are going to be some of the numbers or values you can create to have a landscape orientation. That's the manual way of doing it. All right, you can manually adjust for your sizes. And obviously, all you have to do is upload the file that you have been working with, and boom, you have changed the orientation to landscape. Now, I'm going to create a new design, maybe Instagram story, because this is a vertically kind of a thing. Now, again, I'm going to upload the image again. So we have now a situation wherein this is quite challenging because we need to change this to landscape so that the whole image will fit in on our design. You have the option to resize right here. You see that? You can simply click that option, resize your design into whatever format you need. All right, so again, you have the option to resize to Facebook landscape or a custom size, which we did earlier. All right, so for example, that if you wanted to try it for 30 days, what will happen is if you click this, you would be forwarded to this section. All right, basically that's how you change the orientation, because a wider layout allows you to arrange elements like images, text, and icons more freely. For example, I'm gonna put in some video here, maybe this one. It's a lot easier to navigate. You have like a wiggle room to work with, right? I can add more videos. Say for example, this one right here. I'm gonna add and of course I can add more photos like earlier. See that one? So there's a lot that I can work with. Because some designs may look better with a horizontal layout, offering a more balanced composition. You see? Of course, I can work around with that. I can add another background here. And once you're happy with that, all I have to do is click on share button and share this file to your team members, collaborators, or even your client. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.